Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding a text object and immediately selecting it so you can edit. Use Shift-A and choose Text, then make sure you're in Object mode and select the new text. Once selected, press Tab to enter Edit mode and replace the default string with your desired words. Make sure to keep an eye on the viewport while you type so alignment and scale stay correct. This first step sets the foundation for all later formatting and transforms. Once you've edited the text content, head to the Object Data properties to change the font and basic metrics. You can load any TTF or OTT file, adjusting size, spacing, and shear here controls typographic behavior. Then use G/R/S to position and orient the text in the scene. These transforms are non-destructive. If you need detailed mesh edits, convert the text to a mesh. But be aware that conversion makes the text non-editable as plain text, so only convert when necessary. To finish, apply a material and give the letters depth. Open the Material tab or Shader Editor and assign a principled BSDF. Then go to Object Data Properties, right arrow Geometry to extrude and bevel for thickness. Once done, make sure transforms are applied. Control-A, so modifiers and physics behave predictably. If you see broken shading or flipped faces, recalculate normals and check the font file. If the text looks wrong, reload or change the font to isolate font-specific issues, and then reapply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.